Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to install MongoDB on Windows 7 32-bit operating system. For that you have to first search in the Google MongoDB for Windows 7 32-bit. Okay. After that you will be shown a website mongodb.org. You have to open that site and that site will display a list of MongoDB versions based on your operating system. So here I downloaded an MSI that is called as Microsoft Installer. You can also download the zip file and unzip it and run the setup. But I have downloaded MSI, that is Microsoft Installer. After downloading that MSI, I would run that file that will install the MongoDB on my PC. So here you can see that I am running that MSI. So MongoDB is very easy to install, just you have to accept the terms and license agreement, and then here the two options will be there, complete or custom. If you don't want any change, then please go for complete and then click on next. MongoDB will be installed within minutes. Then click on finish. Then you have to do one thing. For those who are using 32-bit operating system, go on C drive, make a folder, name that folder as data. Then go inside that folder and make another folder and name that folder as DB. That is your path for storing your database. Now after doing this, you have to go where your MongoDB is installed. That is program files, MongoDB. Then you can see that server is there, then version which you have installed, then bin. Up to the bin folder, you have to go to bin folder, then type at the top cmd, that is command prompt. Okay, command prompt will be opened. You have to write something which is especially for those who are running Windows 7 and 32-bit. Okay, so you have to write this whole line. MongoDB, then double dash, storage engine equals to MMAP version 1. Okay, then double dash, DB path C:, data/data/DB. That is your telling that I am using older version of storage engine and my data path is this one. Okay, so this is especially for only Windows 7 32-bit operating system users. If you are using 64-bit, then just don't write anything, just write MongoD bus. D for daemon, that means server. You have to start the server. Okay, I am pasting that command. I will press enter. Here the server will start and server will start on the port number 27017. Here you can see that the port number is 27017 is open for connection now. So server is ready and it is listening on port number 27017. Now I will go again to the same folder. I will again open a command prompt cmd and here I write Mongo, that is for client. I will make a connection. So after running this command Mongo, I will go and check on the server again. Here you can see that 127.0.0.1, that is your local host IP address, and then again a port number on which the client is now connected to the server. One connection now open. Now you can minimize this window and we will start working on the client side. So for checking purpose, I will start typing the command show DBs, that will show me the databases which is there in the MongoDB. You can see that local database is there. Okay, thank you.